Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, sorting materials into groups. Okay? When you look around yourself, you see a large number of things like desks, chairs, blackboards, doors. Okay? So all these things are known as objects. Now all these objects differ in shape, size, color, and many other aspects. Okay? So but all these objects, they all are made up of materials, they all are made up of different materials. Like in this photograph you are seeing a grocery shop, so you can see different types of materials are present, different types of substances or things are present in the grocery shop. Okay, so to study all these objects, what we need to do, we need to classify these objects. Okay children, हमें क्या करना है, हमें इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को क्लासिफाई करना है. Now to classify the objects, now I'm going to tell you a story. Okay, a story of a boy whose name is Rohan. Okay, so his father sells utensils. You can see the shop. His father sells utensils in his shop. There were various types of utensils like copper jar, iron pan, and plates made of steel, glass tumblers, and even utensils made of clay. Now, whenever his father opens the shop in the morning, every day, what he used to do, he used to clean the shop and set it for display. Okay? Now, right now his father is discussing that tomorrow is a festival, so lots of customers are going to come to shop to buy the utensils. Okay? So Rohan asked his father to help him. Okay, Rohan ये बोलता है कि that I also wanted to help. So his father said that okay, you can come to shop with me. Rohan slept very happily and he wake up early in the morning and he get ready. Okay, after having their breakfast, both father and son, they went to a shop. Okay, but as they were walking down to the shop, many questions were coming in Rohan's mind, like how his father put so many utensils, how he is going to find the utensils what the customers are asking for. ठीक है कि customers को क्या चाहिए. So there are very many questions that were going in the mind of Rohan ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें सोच रहा था. But as soon as they reached the shop, they saw that there were two monkeys in this shop and both of them were jumping. And what they were doing, both of them were jumping. When those monkeys saw them, the monkeys jumped out from the window. Now his father was very upset. Okay, why he got upset? He got upset by seeing the mess of the shop. As you can see in the image, the monkeys have turned the shop upside down. उन्होंने क्या किया, पूरे शॉप का हाल बिगाड़ के रख दिया, उन्होंने पूरी चीज़ें बिखरा दी. Now Rohan said that don't worry, okay, don't worry father, I'm going to help you. So his father suggested him that we should keep the same utensils in the similar utensils in a rack so that it will be easy to find them. Okay, उन्होंने कहा कि हम एक जैसी यूटेंसिल्स को एक एक रैक में रखते हैं. Right now Rohan is arranging, okay, like he is arranging the bowls in one rack, glass tumblers in another rack. Okay, but after that he observed that a question came in his mind that there are many bowls of different types. Okay, some of them are shiny, okay, some of them are brown in color, some of them are made of clay. So he asked his father, why do all these bowls different? So his father tells us because they are made up of different substances. Like the steel ones, the shiny ones are made of steel, the brown one are copper, and there are also clay utensils. Okay, they are different because they all are made up of different substances. Okay, now he said that why they all are made up of different substances. So all the things are made up of different substances because they have different qualities. Now he realizes that, उसे ये realize होता है कि why his mother asked him to place his toys, okay, at one place. क्यों एक सी चीज़ें एक जगह पे रखी जाती हैं. वाई हिज मदर आस्क्ड हिम टू कीप हिज बुक्स एट वन प्लेस, कॉपीज एट वन प्लेस, एंड स्टेशनरी आइटम्स, ओके, लाइक पेंसिल, इरेजर एट वन प्लेस. So same is that in this shop only, his father also explains him that why there are different materials. ठीक है, different things. ये जो different things होते हैं वो किससे बनती हैं? These are made up of materials. Okay, for example, a chair is made up of wood. Okay, a clay utensil, it is made up of clay. A steel utensil, वो steel से बनता है. So like this. Okay, so that's why we need to classify the objects. ठीक है, हमें objects को classify करना ज़रूरी होता है. They help us to identify and locate things. हम अगर classify करके रखते हैं तो हमें चीज़ें बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाती हैं, एंड हम उनकी सिस्टमैटिक स्टडी भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, हम उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को भी बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हैं. एंड इट हेल्प्स अस टू नो दैट हाउ द मेंबर्स ऑफ अ ग्रुप डिफर फ्रॉम दोज ऑफ अदर ग्रुप. ठीक है, कि एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस से कैसे डिफर करता है. सो दैट्स वाई चिल्ड्रन, हमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स का क्लासिफिकेशन करना चाहिए, हमें डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को क्लासीफाई करना चाहिए, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में रखना चाहिए. ओके, लाइक इन आवर हाउसेस हम वेजिटेबल्स अलग रखते हैं, फ्रूट्स अलग रखते हैं, पल्सेस किचन में रखते हैं. ओके, सीरियल्स को अलग रखा जाता है, वी नेवर मिक्स देम. सो ये होता है हमारा क्लासीफाई. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू टू डू द activity 1 and activity 2 that is present in your book and on page number 46. Okay, so with this story you can conclude that classification and grouping of things, these things are very important. Okay, if we are not going to group the things, then that is going to create a mess. ठीक है, उससे बहुत गड़बड़ी हो सकती है. Okay, so there were many questions in Rohan's mind, like how many more items, और कितने items को हम group में रख सकते हैं. There are many items. Okay, we can keep the plastic items at one place. ठीक है, I'm just giving you examples कि हम plastics को एक जगह रखते हैं. Okay, and steel substances को, steel items को हम एक जगह रखते हैं, wood items को हम एक जगह रखते हैं. Okay, thank